In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a password for your Windows 11 computer. First, click on the Windows Start menu, type Settings, and open the Settings app. On the left side, click Accounts, then scroll down and select Sign-in options. Here, you'll see a few different sign-in methods, such as fingerprint recognition, PIN, and password. We're going to choose Password. Under the option that says Use a password to sign in to Windows apps and services, click Add. Now, enter the password you want to use for your computer. You can also add a password hint to help you remember it if you ever forget it. Once you've entered the details, click Next and then click Finish. If you want to change your password later, you can come back to this same section and click the Change button. The next time you sign out of your computer and sign back in, Windows will ask for the password you just created. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.